Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on security consulting with PwC. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current security needs and objectives. Identify the specific areas where you require consulting assistance. Research PwC's security consulting services to find options that align with your needs. Gather information on pricing structures for different services offered by PwC. Consider engaging in a preliminary meeting with a PwC representative to discuss your needs. During the meeting, ask about any potential bundled services or packages that could offer savings. Inquire about discounts for long-term contracts or ongoing consulting relationships. Leverage any existing partnerships or affiliations your organization has with PwC for potential discounts. Review past projects that PwC has conducted for similar businesses in your industry. Request case studies or examples that highlight successful outcome strategies, especially those involving cost-saving measures. Develop a comprehensive project plan that outlines your scope, timeline, and budget constraints. Communicate your budget clearly with PwC to explore customized solutions within that range. Negotiate terms based on your research and the insights gathered from your consultation. Stay informed on PwC's promotional offers or seasonal discounts that could provide additional savings. Consider potential training programs offered by PwC that could empower your in-house team, further reducing consulting costs. Finally, establish a regular follow-up process to review and adjust your engagement based on ongoing needs and outcomes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.